What's going on? It's your boy Cater on a beautiful, beautiful day, my friends. What's up with you today? What's going on with your life? What's going on with your land? So I'm here in San Diego, California. Early morning, we getting it on. We have a gym right now full of entrepreneurs. So we are excited. We're here for my boy's event, Mr. Nate O'Brien with I Make Noise. So we getting some stuff done. You gotta take care of your body, man. It's the first thing. So I have a few people around. What we're gonna do, I'm pumped up. Let me know where you're watching if you're watching live. What's up, James? Who's live with me? Drop a comment. What's up, Kyle? I had an opportunity to meet Kyle a couple of days ago. He was in Orlando, my hometown. We had a good time, break bread together. So right now, I'm here, so I'm gonna go around. There's a few people. We're gonna get a few nuggets from everybody while we just excited. We're getting ready to pound that. Someone says pound that. What's up, Derek? Victor in the house. What's going on, Victor? So we here on the West Coast right now. You know, coming from the East Coast, feeling a little bit jet lag still. But hey, you know what? We up early, 5 o'clock in the morning. Because over here, the time difference, but we getting it in. So over here, we got Mr. Chris in the house. What's up, Mr. Chris? Give some value. Look at this guy, bro. What you doing? Look at this guy. He's like, I ain't working a job, so I'm over here living the entrepreneur lifestyle, traveling. What's up, man? Tell me how you feel, bro.
I feel amazing. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I just feel amazing.
Yeah. He's camera shy right now, but he got a YouTube channel. Yo, believe it or not, he got a YouTube channel, so go check him out on YouTube. We got Mr. Eldridge on the floor doing his push-ups. What's going on? Give some value, bro.
Hey, you guys, make sure you take care of your bodies and in your mind. While being an entrepreneur, staying at home all the time, make sure you take care of yourself. It's very important to maintain that health, because with that health comes your creativity and your passion and your energy to get things done. So make sure you take care of yourself.
Crazy. Pound that. If you get the value, say pound. So here's the thing, guys. Sometimes being an entrepreneur, when you're on the road, it gets crazy because you like going to a new place and you tasting new food. Like you just let go. You don't want to work out. Like yesterday, we went to like 3 restaurants because we don't know around. We just got in and literally the food was so bad, we just get out at the same moment. We went to 3 places. It's one of the things that I hate going to new cities and we don't find good food, because one of the things that's gonna make it memorable is gonna be the food, man. We gotta get good food. Yeah, so we got one of our students in the game, Patrice. Is she watching? Patrice Wilson. She got the cook out on the go. And she's here with us, so we almost called Patrice and said, you know what? No more hotels food, man. You want that food. So last but not least, we got Ms. Dolapo right now. She's going in on the treadmill. Yeah. She came to one of my events in Orlando. Yeah. We've been linked up ever since. Yeah. She's getting it in. Yeah. She got a brand on Amazon. Yes. Now she's building her own Shopify store. So go ahead and give some value, Dolapo.
Hi, everyone. I'm getting my workout in.
Let's
go. You gotta fix your mind, guys. Get it going. Because if you don't, something else will creep in. Turn off the TV. Get moving right now. Let's get it.
Let's get it, guys. You hear it first, man. You gotta keep it moving. You gotta get moving. So, what's up, Bobby? We miss you out there, man.
Oh,
Bobby in the house. Look who's getting it with me.
Come on, Bobby.
Mr. Chris, man. That's what we do it for. You know, earlier I was talking to Chris and we were saying, like, yo, one of the luxury of being an entrepreneur, or, you know, getting to a point of your business where you can just do things and understand that you can create your own income and you can live a lifestyle of freedom. And you know, it's sometimes we get caught up chasing after the income so much that we forgot why we do these things for, right? We forgot we did it so we can spend time with our family. We did it so we can go to the gym whenever we want. We did it so we can take care of our body. We did it so we can go on vacations. We did it. We forgot the reason we did it for. We just so focused on doing it and not taking the time to actually, you know, enjoy the things that we actually did this stuff for. Yeah, the free time, you know, just doing it live. It's Friday. You ain't got no job. Pound out. So we got Derek that says it's Friday in the house. So we forgot. What's up? What's up, Bobby? So guys, Nick ZZ in the house. Shout out to Nick. Go follow Nick.
Yo, Nick.
Nick is a full beast. I don't know how this guy
He's
do
a
it.
zebra. He's
a zebra.
He's not
man.
a human. He's a
What?
zebra.
This guy is a zebra. You know, radio show, the Whoop. You know, he's got so much stuff going on with the kids. Yo, we gotta give back, man. This
He's a
guy,
super dad.
he's amazing. By the way, Nick just dropped a new book. Go cap it on Amazon. Nick Zebra. You know, amazing prop to this guy. So guys, let's keep moving. It's Friday. We're gonna keep getting it. I'll keep you guys posted at the event. What's up? Bobby say I wish I was there, man.
Yeah,
I'll
Bobby.
catch you on the next one, Bobby. Catch you on the next one, bro.
Yes, Bobby.
Let's do it, man. We killing it, Victor said. Gotta
We
do it,
killing it.
man. I gotta go kill it. So we learning a lot of stuff about Facebook ads this weekend, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So Eldridge said yes, we got a lot of campaign going on. You know, it's all about masterminding, getting around other people. You know, that helps you take your game to the next level. Whenever you get around other people, entrepreneur who's pushing you, man, it's just a whole different energy. You know, when you stay at home, sometimes we have so much internal conversation because a lot of the time, as entrepreneurs, like people don't realize when you're at home, you're trying to get it done. Sometimes your mind start going the wrong direction because you have so much internal conversation. Like, why my freaking ads is not converting? Like,
Why?
Why Facebook is eating my money and I ain't getting no conversion? Why? You know, why I'm not getting no results, you know? So it's like, but when you get around other people who's like, yo, this is what I'm doing, this is where we going, that's the vision, they cheer you up. It's like, yo, let's do it, let's get it. Then you get that strength back. So anyway, guys, just wanted to do this live. Hopefully you get some value, share, like, follow me on Facebook. Got a channel, YouTube channel. Let's go get it. I'll see you guys on the next one. We'll go finish our workout.
Peace, y'all.
Countdown. Let's go. Yeah. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Let's go. Flexing on the ground. No, that's on Facebook.